Hi guys, welcome to this video. And today I'm with Goober and Jan in Block Tales. So before we start, we're playing Block Tales, but in this video we're gonna take on the Cruel King and Bubonic Plant in the Guru's area. And Jan, sorry. Goober, my bad, is also recording because it's gonna be his 100 special subs video. And yeah, so both of their channels, Jan and Goober, are gonna be in the description down below. And yeah, also for a couple more people actually. So without further ado, let's start now. So I have these cards again. What happened? Where am I? I'm sick of that chocolate voice. Driving me mad. Inevitable. This is another one of my persistent nightmares. That's it. I don't care about what you prophesied. Okay, I couldn't have time because we skipped so fast. Alright, let's fight now. Really?
This is Sparta!
Bro. Oh my, no. 15 HP, and I think it's good for at least 2 more rounds. Jan, do something please. She's burger. Okay. So you know what they say? Bro, what? He has a burger. He has a burger? No way. No way he had a burger.
Fire in the hole.
Wait, how many do... Oh, Jan has -1 for... Okay, he's gonna do Venom Shank. I'm gonna attack him. I'm saying this because of like my taste video. You can check it by the way. Really cool video. Absolutely a banger. Uh-oh. Bro, I'm the only one frozen now? Okay. I mean, fair enough. They were frozen at the start, so yeah, I'm not gonna complain. If you text me though, I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay. Bruh, how did you miss? How did you miss, dude? I'm doing damage, holy. You know what? Dynamite. Oh, just enough, thank you. Oh, I got poisoned because of the venom shit. He's doing it again. How cool. Run. Oh my god. Jan's frozen now. Okay. What is he gonna do? What is he gonna do? Oh, is he a mango? Okay.
Oh no!
Oh. We're so awesome. How much health does he have though? Does he have like 30, I guess? Wait, what is I can see? Does he need to go now? I couldn't see what he said. 10 HP? Yeah, you're done for, buddy. Yeah, wait, actually. Take this. Take this, Jan.
Fatality.
Let's go. Now only this dude. I still have all my HP. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's done for.
Double kill.
Yeah, he was done for. We goated. Alright, so yeah, Bubonic Plant's not speaking. but it's actually the Griffer. Okay, you know what? Never mind, that's fine. Uh-oh. Wow. Hit it 1/3 of my health. What in the world? That's not a bad idea, actually. But you know what? I'm still gonna wait though. Yeah, that's why. But the soundtrack's goated here. It's absolutely so good. Yeah, it wasn't me for one more turn. Wow. Oh yeah, I forgot he did that. Uh-oh. 6 damage. Actually. Oh, just enough for him. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought I was doing I'm feeling on fire. Uh-oh. Wait. I missed the end, but at least it's better than nothing. Okay. Fire the plant! Hashtags.
Fire the hole.
Uh-oh.
Yummy!
How? You know, I don't even care. I take your time. Oh yeah, he's done for. He's done for. Yeah, we can, dude. You know what? I'm gonna play with fire again. Yeah, it's over. It's over. Say goodnight. What? What? Oh. GG.